Hello, today we are going to convert Elementor menus from the Figma file. So let's start very quickly. Convert with AI. It could have different result in different area. Sometimes you need to be convert it again and again. I mean twice or three times. Waiting to finish the response. Here you go. We got the response. Click on the copy. Here, let's copy it again. Paste from other website. Here we go. We got the menu. Maybe you can give the changes. We can choose image here as image is missing. So actually this is a vector. You can export it in very easy way. Just click on it. This is the image. I think you can download it. We already added to our Elementor working area. There you can find it with the name logo. This is the black logo. There is another white logo. I don't know. Let is this black one. So here we go. So you can adjust the size like custom. You can give the height to 80, so it will take the width automatically, or use it something like 50. Okay, it's good now. You can add some filter or just add the image like this. Okay, very simple. Next, there is another one. This one, convert it. I'm showing this very quickly because it always need to be some adjustment before importing, because the elements are not organized very in a very good way. You can see the structure of this like this, but the structure of this is something different, but it's look almost identical. You can see you just need to replace the image, or you can try second time. You can reduce some spacing here, maybe reduce some padding, something like 10 pixel. Here we should get the another response. Okay, now it's time for this one. Copy, paste from other side, control V. Here you see this, it's very beautiful and almost identical. Just issue with these vectors. If you are using images, it won't be an issue. It will place this in the place you it where. You can also edit for this button. It seems the login button color is black. We can make this to light. Oh sorry, this is good. We need to change the font color. Text color should be white. Okay, it's good. The next one is this one. See, we are converting different menus, so you can compare about this task. Okay, here is the response. Let's copy that and go here and paste it from other side. They are almost 90% task is done. You need to just edit something. Here you see the logo is missing because it's a vector image. Let's increase these sizes little bit. We don't need this for now. We can reduce the spaces here, something like percentage to, we can delete this for now. You see we have this menu. Okay, let's keep this, or reduce the width, something full width, then reduce to it this size. Also for this, reduce to it this size. Now we had the full width on the middle, so it's look very good. You can resize the button here, so it has some extra padding, I think. Not sure, but looks it has some padding. You can make this 0 or something. Keep it as it now, as it's now here. Let's go for this last one. Here is the look. So remember, actually nothing will be 100% accurate because this is response from AI. Every time you send a request, it will give you the different response. Yeah, you can get better result when you try 2 3 times. You can choose the better one, the better response. Let's see this one as well. We see we almost done 90% of our work via AI. Just 5-10% you need to work for that. Okay, we got the response here. Let's copy that. Test from other side. Control V. Here we go. You can see again issue with this image. You can replace it. Okay, just from here you can select this selection, somehow showing the blank. You can update, like you can delete this area, so it's looking good already. You can see you have 4 menus almost identical with our plugin. You see this layout and you see this, so you just need some a small addition here, nothing else. Very good. So you have everything ready in one place. Just remember, you need to check this setting, the features, activate all to work the import. You can edit this, you can add new element. We are using the custom code here. You just need to duplicate this a item, so it will be done very easily and quickly. Thank you.